This is so, wait, focus, bro. This is so weird to me. I have not picked up my camera in the longest time. The last time I filmed was like a week ago or something like that.
At the game.
It was like a week ago, something like that. I think I filmed like a week ago, or a couple, I don't know, but either way, for having a like conversation like this, it's been a minute since I picked up my camera and like talked or did something. I don't know. I have been completely busy for the month of February. Since the beginning, I have been completely, as a matter of fact, until even yesterday, I have been completely busy with my business. For the month of February, Kumani Cosmetics had a February collection called XOXOKC. If you watch Gossip Girl, then you understand where I got that from. So I literally put out I put out products every single day besides 2 days, because 2 things that I ordered just came today. But I put out products every single day leading up to Valentine's Day. So it was just very a lot. But I thank God for it, because I prayed for a time for me to just be busy with my business. I prayed for a time where it would be consistency with my business, and I am so glad that I received that in the month of February. I am tired, y'all. I've been tired for this whole week, matter of fact, and maybe like the past 3 or 2 days I've been extremely tired. But I go to bed early, so I don't understand why I'm tired. I don't know if it's because I do a lot during the day, but I go to bed now around like 10, 11. Like I usually go to bed like around 12 or 1. I'm sorry for this long intro, but like I feel like in one of these videos I should sit down and say like where I've been or what's been going on in my life. But yeah, guys, my business took a hold of me, so that's why I have not posted on my YouTube in a minute. My business took a hold, and I need to learn how to balance both and how to stay motivated with both. So yeah, so we're gonna go make this TikTok pasta dinner. I don't think what I have is feta cheese, because I don't have the feta cheese, even though it's vegan. I don't know what kind of cheese it is. I just got it from the store. So we're gonna make that, but it's not the vegan feta cheese or whatever.
Can I help you?
And hopefully I stay energized. I might make me a cup of coffee. I don't know. But yeah, so let's go. Alright, y'all, so I called my friend and I asked her like what to do, because I don't have a TikTok anymore. She said to turn my oven on first to 400 degrees. So that's what we about to do. Okay, so ingredients needed for this TikTok pasta. I don't know what the name of it is called, but I have some vegan butter, some grape tomatoes, this vegan block cheese. I don't know what it's like trying to mimic, but I have that. You need some garlic. I got me some vegan Parmesan cheese, as well as the chickpea rotini pasta, and then the seasoning, salt, pepper, and then whatever seasoning you wanna, you know, season it up with. So first things first, what I'm gonna do, because I'm just this type of person, I'm gonna butter my pan, put it in the oven, let the butter melt, let it get, you know, all nice and toasty, and then we'll add everything else that's supposed to, you know, go with it. So I put about this much butter in it, and we're about to let this melt. While that's melting, I just wanted to let you guys know that my lip gloss, well, my face looks dry, but anyways, this lip gloss is from the XOXOKC collection, the rose one. I don't know if I have any rose on my lips, but in the meantime, I'm gonna boil my water for the chickpea rotini pasta. Girl, if you run over my toes. I want to know what this is like supposed to mimic. I don't know if it's supposed to mix. Matter of fact, let me open it. I think it's yellow. I don't know. I just bought it because I seen it. Okay, so it's like a yellow. Oh, that smells like cheese. What the heck? They could definitely use a lot of nutritional yeast. That smells like cheese. So in the meantime, while everything is still melting, still bubbling, still cooking, we're gonna make some peanut butter banana cookies. Main ingredients: peanut butter, bananas, flour, and baking soda. So I got 2 bananas that look like this. So this what's going on right now. We have the 2 that were very ripe and then that one. So you need 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of bacon. So you need a smaller spoon for the get a smaller spoon. And just gonna move the butter all the way around. I mean, it calls for olive oil, but like I don't want my pan to get stuck or anything. I mean, like, you know, get dirty. So alright, so first things first, I'm gonna add in my tomatoes. Oh, that looks really cute on camera. So I got about 6 cloves of garlic that I'm about to peel, and we're gonna place it in the pan. Actually, I put 5. I felt like 6 would have bugged out, so I'm just gonna make sure it's all coated. This smells good already. What the heck? That smells mad good. I smell the garlic already cooking. Oh my gosh, these tomatoes look so good, y'all. I think what I'm gonna do before I place the cheese in the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and season the grapes and the garlic. Excuse me. So the seasoning that I'm gonna be using, the grape tomatoes, onion powder, garlic powder, this complete seasoning by Sazon, but it's not Sazon, some adobo, some black peppercorns, some smoked sea salt, some paprika, and for a little hotness, a little bit of red chili flakes. So I switched from making cookies to muffins, but I doubt they're gonna rise because instead of using baking powder, we use baking soda. So we're just about to see how this is gonna go. So the chickpea rotini is basically done. I'm gonna set it to the side. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it in the strainer with some cool water so that they don't stick. So we got 5 minutes left on a timer. I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. So this has been in the oven for about 30 to 32 minutes, 400 degrees. And this is what it looks like, y'all. I'm about to add the pasta and we're about to mix and see if we get that TikTok, I don't know, whatever. So I'm trying to stir it, but like this cheese, it's just not doing it. I'm about to add the pasta in. So I'm gonna take one for the team. That's what it looks like, y'all. Thank you, Lord, for this food to be nourishing to my body. Anything in there may harm me, take it out in Jesus' name I pray, amen. Amen. Not bad. That's good. Alright, guys, so here's the outcome. Don't know if it's supposed to look this red, but whatever, it looks good. I'm gonna sprinkle some vegan Parmesan cheese. Enjoy this, and I'll be back to guys show you how the peanut butter muffins, cookies, or whatever they are doing. Literally, they did not rise, like I said, because baking soda, not baking powder. Thank you, Lord, for this light nourishing our body. In Jesus' name, amen. It's not bad.
It does taste the disgusting.
It'll be very good with some milk. I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.